UBOOM True 360 Degrees speaker is engineered to deliver full, natural sound with dramatically deeper bass than you'd expect from an ultra-compact speaker. Place it in the center of the room and everyone gets the same experience. Taking it outdoors. Great, it's meant to go where you go. You'll never have to compromise when it comes to listening to your favorite music or watching the latest blockbuster movies. Just connect to UBOOMs using the latest true wireless stereo (TWS) technology for double the audio experience. You'll get the best audio experience, and you'd be free of tangle-prone wires or cables. Thanks to the IPX7 waterproof protection, which defends UBOOM against rain, snow, dust and more. UBOOM gives music lovers the opportunity to bring their speaker poolside, or to the beach. UBOOM even withstands being submerged in up to 3.3 feet 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Enjoy any song from almost any device. The portable speaker pairs effortlessly with laptops, smartphones, tablets, and other compatible Bluetooth devices. UBOOM features a reliable wireless range of about 100 feet 30 meters. 3.5mm aux and jack connect from non-Bluetooth audio devices. A portable Bluetooth speaker needs impressive battery life. UBOOM delivers. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery plays up to 16 hours for full-day listening. You'll have enough power for even long trips away. Don't have your phone handy? Don't worry. Just press and hold the multi-function button to access the voice input for your phone's Siri or your Google Assistant right from the speaker.